Hello everyone, welcome to Paranormal and Spiritual World. Today we will talk about that why society does not help when we are in trouble or you are in trouble. Each and every society which has been formed by human beings, it is standing on the pillars of hypocrisy. Whatever we say, whatever we try to project ourselves in the society is different, and when it comes to actual things, actual issues in life, nobody is there to help you. You have seen society programs, you have attended society programs where neighbors, relatives, acquaintances all come together, give lectures on different things, on unity, on this and that. But when it comes to actual problems, each and every house is facing issues in life. They are troubling with having a lot of troubles in life, and there is no one to help them, and each and every person is fighting today alone for their justice, for their uh, problems, for their issues in life. We all collectively say together that we will help each other, but when there is a moment to help, we deny, we reject the help, we say no, that either we do not have time or we are not in a position to help, or you may ask them, or you may ask that. Whole society game, whole these social obligations which we have made are all shallow. There's no concrete promise inside that, there's no stability, there's no constant dedication towards each other, nothing. Everything has been artificially formed, everything has been artificially represented to be good. If you are in trouble, you are crying, you're alone, nobody will come. But when you become rich, when you become famous, when you have happiness around you, when your life is full of joy, everybody will be there to be with you, everybody will be ready to be with you. Just like you can say that it's like you are like a kind of sweet which is on the street and the dog is coming to eat that sweet. So it's like that. So all that society will be there, will be after you if you are successful, if you are rich, if you are having money, if you are able to provide them anything. But when it comes to getting any help, and when you need anything, there will be no one. So this is the crude reality of society. It's not that that it happens with you only, it happens with everybody on every scale of life. And even the one who is saying that nobody helps me, I'm alone, I'm tired, I'm crying, I'm yelling, I'm whining, my issues are there, society is not helping me, he himself is also like the society. He or she is himself is also same identical like the society. When anybody will approach them for help, they will also deny, they will also give excuses, they will also give explanations of circumstances, of issues in life. So we all are same, we all yell, we all try to show or portray each other that we should help, we should help. But when it comes to helping in actual manner, it's really difficult to be on the words for anyone in the society. And frankly speaking, all the society, all the people who are in the society, everyone has some limits, everyone has explanation, priorities to their own family. They are running after money, they are running after things, they are doing things, working for their own, for their family, because that matters first. But the only issue is portrayal of brotherhood, fake portrayal of brotherhood in the programs, on the stage, on everywhere. When you cannot help anyone, when you cannot be with anyone, when you cannot support each other, when you cannot abstain from fighting and quarreling, then why we are portraying this good image of society, what society will think, society obligations, oh how many society members, all this is whole bunch of shit. It's really important for you to understand the fact that in your life, do whatever you want, just fuck the society, don't think about the society. If you are right, if you're doing something which is right, then just go for it. If your heart says it is right, always do good karma, always do good things in life. because nobody from the society will come to help you in your problematic years, or in your times when you are having any bad phase. Nobody will come. The one who will come to help you is you only, or you can say your family members, or your loved ones, or your blood relatives. And at the end of the day, it's you only who has to fight, who has to work for you, who has to find out solutions for the problems. So don't think about anything what society will think. Society, oh, society is nothing but a group of people who try to act as a dictator on other neighbors, on other people, in order to show their supremacy, that yes, we are running this organization of society. But in reality, all of them are shallow, all of them are hypocrite, all of them have all those weakness, all those kind of issues in life. They all have the same mindset of getting help but not giving help. So this is the whole society game, the whole society definition of the society. So I have told you a crude reality today, so I hope you have enjoyed today's video. So keep on watching. I have already uploaded this video in Hindi language. For you, I have given the link below. You can browse from there. Thank you so much.